In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your blog header font and size color in HubSpot. Whether you're looking to refresh your site's look or align your branding, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's get started by opening the HubSpot user guide. Begin by directing your browser to app.na2.hubspot.com and logging in if prompted. Once you're there, locate and click on the Settings menu. You can find this by looking for the gear icon, usually in the main menu at the top of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the Settings area, where all the customization options are available. Once you're in the Settings menu, look over to the sidebar and find the Blog option. Click on Blog, and you'll be directed to a new page where you can customize various aspects of your blog's appearance. Scrolling through these options, you'll find several customizations for your blog, but for today, we'll focus on the header settings. Next, locate and click on Google AMP. AMP stands for Accelerated Mobile Pages, and it's a feature designed to improve the performance of web pages on mobile devices. Within this section, you'll find settings specific to how your blog appears when served via AMP. Among these settings will be the header font setting. Clicking on it will allow you to select from a list of fonts that HubSpot offers for your blog headers. Scroll through the drop-down list to explore your font options. Choose the one that best fits your branding or style preferences, click it, and see the preview change according to your selection. After you're satisfied with your font choice, it's time to adjust the font size to ensure that your headers are not only readable but also visually appealing. Look for Header Font Size, PX. Once you find this option, click on it to reveal a text box or a slider that allows you to adjust the size. The size is measured in pixels, so you can move the slider or type in a number to select the exact size you prefer. A good rule of thumb is to ensure the font size is large enough to stand out but not too big, that it overwhelms the content. Finally, it's time to choose the color. Locate the Header Font Color option next. This section allows you to pick a specific color for your header text. If you have a brand color palette, you'll want to match your color to one of those. Clicking on this option opens a color picker tool. You can either select a color directly from the display or enter a hex code if you need a precise match. And that's it. You've successfully customized your blog header font, size, and color on HubSpot. Remember to save your changes before exiting to ensure all your adjustments are applied. Make sure to preview your blog to see how the new settings look in action. I hope this tutorial has been helpful and your blog looks better than ever. Thank you for watching, and happy blogging!